Google Pixel is using photography to recreate iconic album covers in celebration of the 50th anniversary of hip-hop. And they're remixing some of hip-hop's favorite tracks with rising female artists, like rap queen Flo Milli, who's covering a classic by Too Short with her new track, BTW. Look out for the song on Spotify. Google Pixel, the only phone engineered by Google. It's all G.
At Amica, auto insurance comes with empathy. That means we know the most important part of the car is the driver. Amica, empathy is our best policy.
I can count on you. Strike!
Tell me something I don't know, Ump.
Well, unlike that nasty curveball, there aren't any surprises when you finance your next car with Carvana. You get real terms personalized for you right in your strike zone.
Really?
Steer-right!
How am I supposed to focus when you're telling me about Carvana?
Well, Slugger, you gotta keep your eye on the ball. Just like you can keep an eye on your customized down and monthly car payments.
I can customize those?
He's out and on his way to finance his next car with Carvana.
Visit Carvana.com or download the app to get pre-qualified today. We'll drive you happy at Carvana.
With the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Card, you can earn 3% cash back on online shopping. Earn 3% for the virtual miles you've scrolled, 3% for the shopping carts you've tried your best to fill, and 3% for putting out the welcome mat for your delivery driver.
Click the banner to learn more.
If he ain't gonna do it, I'll take it. You know, he got an older brother too, so you know, don't forget about the one and only. All right,
OG, how good one? The one who started this song, the leader of the Nick Diaz Army.
Thank you.
And Nick, I saw you looking at Logan. You went in the ring just as
I like to get a good look at what's going on because you know I don't know what's happening. But I like to keep options open, you know.
So are you interested in having a boxing match against one of the Paul brothers?
You know, I'd like to entertain something in the near future. We could talk about that. Could be a possibility. Either way, yeah, one of those two or something. You know, maybe something else. Who knows? I got a lot going on right now, but we can sort that out.
Does it motivate you to get into the boxing ring?
Oh, you know, of course, just, you know, that's why I try to stay away from the fight game in general, just because, you know, I'm all the way in, or it's all or nothing, you know. Never one foot in, one foot out, but, you know, me coming here today, I just feel that, you know, I have a little bit of opportunity to open a little bit of a window. If that's what it is, then, you know, just let it be known. You know, I'm still motivated as ever, and I'm a harder worker and a better fighter than anybody that's out here, you know, in this right now. And
What's cracking? Right, we are in August the 11th. Beautiful 11th. Friday. Yeah, if this market is funky or nice and trendy market today. Trying today where I've got the 2-minute up, because yesterday there was a couple prime spots where I should have bounced on in and just wasn't seeing my perfect little, you know, reject candles on the 5 or 10 and didn't jump in, and want to avoid that next time. So everything's real small together here, but it works, you know. It's like I don't need to have something on every, like, you know, just blown up on every screen. You're just clicking a button at the end of the day, and you got your levels out, whatever. Got everything that you need. It should be all right. We'll give it a shot. Pretty interesting to see what we're going to get today, if we really get some downside or what, because we're below on the spine of the Q. We're below yesterday's low on both. And we've even come below, retested, and at this point had some rejection off that level. So that is pretty interesting, though. On the SPY, I do have some pretty solid support that concerns me for a bounce here. Some daily support. So that is, interestingly enough, why we could get a bounce down here, and we're basically down in that area right now. So I'm keeping my mind open that this may not just fall apart today, but I guess we'll find out. It'll be cool. Huh, that one. Mountain Dew Zevia, not that great. On a flat. 925. 925. What do we have a gap fill in the SPY? Yeah. Yep, right there. Yeah, that is a gap fill. Right there.
again.
Oh, happens all the time with old Betsy.
Have you checked out Carvana yet? They have thousands of cars for under $20,000.
But do those thousands of cars have personality like old Betsy?
Betsy's held together by tape. And there are raccoons living in the engine.
It's a family car.
There are flames on the hood?
Custom paint job.
No, Dad. The car's on fire.
How many cars did you say Carvana had?
Visit Carvana.com to shop thousands of cars for under $20,000. We'll drive you happy at Carvana.
I have diabetes. I'm at risk for pneumococcal pneumonia.
I have asthma. I'm at risk too.
If you're 19 or older with chronic conditions like asthma, diabetes, COPD, or heart disease, or are 65 or older, you are at increased risk for pneumococcal pneumonia. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about Prevnar 20, pneumococcal 20-valent conjugate vaccine, a vaccine that can help protect you against pneumococcal pneumonia in just one dose. Even if you've already been vaccinated with other pneumonia vaccines, Prevnar 20 may help provide added protection. Prevnar 20 is approved for adults to help prevent infections from 20 strains of the bacteria that cause pneumococcal pneumonia. Continued approval may depend on a supportive study. Don't get Prevnar 20 if you've had a severe allergic reaction to the vaccine or its ingredients. Adults with weakened immune systems may have a lower response to the vaccine. Side effects include pain and swelling at the injection site, fatigue, headache, muscle, and joint pain. For full prescribing information, please call 1-855-213-2138 or visit Prevnar20.com.
Yeah, looking weak here. All right, we pop back up here. Hot on this demand area. Good buy up on this SPY support area. We're getting close to yesterday's high, the orange line on SPY. We do have news at 10 here. Is the consumer sentiment preliminary. And we had core PPI price index at 8:30 this morning. Didn't take this short, thought about it, just didn't pull it. I would have loved to see it actually hit. Yeah, today's low.
highly anticipated return of Queens of the Stone Age, The End is Nero Tour. August 15th, Red Hat Amphitheater, Raleigh. With special guests, Fantagram and The Armed. On sale now at livenation.com. New album, In Times New Roman. Available now. Produced by Live Nation.
Abortion, miscarriage, and pregnancy loss are common parts of life. And whatever happens during your pregnancy should be your business. But what if you're arrested, charged, or prosecuted for having an abortion, miscarriage, or another pregnancy outcome, or for helping? You're not alone. The Repro Legal Defense Fund can fund your case and offer practical support. Visit reprolegaldefensefund.org.
School. It's where your kids learn more than just history and math. It's where they experience community and teamwork. It's where they learn to be counted on. Where it matters if they're missing. Be there for them. Up-to-date vaccines, including the COVID-19 vaccine or booster. Keep your kids healthy and protected so they're there when it matters most. Don't let them miss a thing. Go to heroesgetvaccinated.com to schedule their appointment today.
Looking to see if we bounce here at all. Got support here. Morning. Yeah, I'm probably unfortunately going short right now on the 442s. I was hoping to get a gap fill to 443. A little bit impatient this morning. I've been trading like shit lately, man. Like really bad, to be honest. Yeah, it's like, I don't know why I got in this, man. It's bad. I forgot we had data coming up. Oh, this is pretty retarded. Mm-hmm. If we, I'm probably gonna hop out of these. If it really doesn't turn around here, I'm gonna hop out. I'm not confident. Yeah, man, I shouldn't be in a trade right now. It's probably not gonna work, man. Like, I don't know what I was thinking, to be honest. I really am, to be honest, like, I've been trading, like, total shit lately. And, it's not been bueno, man. So I gotta get my shit together. I'll be very honest with myself. This is probably not going to work out. Oh, well, I'm just trying to be realistic, man. I mean, I shouldn't have entered this trade. Like, this is not... There's just not a setup I would ever normally take. But, no, I agree. I'm not trying to be overly negative. Yeah, there's a chance, but, you know, we have data at 10, and it's just a fucking stupid trade to enter.
y'all, my name is Tiara, and a little
Yeah,
thing that I
yeah,
love
probably to
about
fill
the
that gap.
Chick-fil-A
Yeah.
spicy chicken biscuit is that it has the perfect amount of spice to jumpstart my day. Whoever thought of it, thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Robert, and a little thing I love about Chick-fil-A spicy chicken biscuit is the biscuit. It reminds me of my grandma's homemade biscuit. It's always buttery and savory. Then you add the spices, instant classic.
Order the spicy chicken biscuit on the Chick-fil-A app today. Real Chick-fil-A guests paid for their testimonials.
The Jedi fell a long time ago.
Perhaps it is time to begin again.
The highly anticipated Star Wars series, Ahsoka, premieres August 23rd on Disney+.
Something dark is coming.
One must destroy in order to create.
The galaxy is not safe.
Don't miss the 2-episode premiere event.
We have to prepare for the worst.
Hunt them down.
Let's get going.
Ahsoka, 2-episode premiere August 23rd, only on Disney+.
There are more identity threats than you realize. Even if you monitor your credit, only a little personal info needs to leak out, like your social security number or password.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to probably bounce out of this, man.
LifeLock alerts you to threats you could miss. If your identity is stolen, a dedicated US-based restoration specialist will work to fix it. No one can prevent all identity theft or monitor all transactions.
I cannot believe I entered that trade. That was just so... It was a bad FOMO trade, man. I've just been... Man, there's just nothing to say. I've just been trading like so retardedly. Like, next level. Next level retarded. And I just got out the... I just got faked out, probably, yeah. Just trading like garbage. Like, even looking back at yesterday, man, that was such an easy fucking day to trade. Like, it was just all there, and I don't know, my mind has just not been there. It's weird. Got a little reject off VWAP here. We got news coming out in 4 minutes, though. I totally forgot about it. So bad. That trade I took was so bad, man. It came down here, and it kind of did this reject candle like on the 2 minute, which I just recently added back. Dude, that was just like a monkey, like click button, reject, like just down at this level. It's so bad. Too extended. It didn't make any sense. Wasn't really coming this level. I was actually expecting to see if we would get support here. It's just like completely retarded. I don't know what to say, man. All right, got news in 2. See if I can get myself green today. Ooh, not good. Yeah, gonna be hard. Right, news in 1 here. Pop so far in this what is this? What is the news even? I think it's the consumer sentiment. Bumping its head on yesterday's was on yesterday's low. Good thing I'm not in those shorts, man. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Q's coming close to yesterday's low. Getting some push down. It looks like we're going to likely get a pretty solid 5-minute close above yesterday's low, so I think this could definitely. We'll have to see. It could definitely be uptrending today. Let's see what happens. We're above the 30-minute high, which is yesterday's low lines. Get support there. Starting to potentially get a little bit of a rejection, which can be a good level. This second, I have these 2 fibs off of my 30.
I have diabetes.
Pretty much
I'm at risk
up at
for
this.
pneumococcal pneumonia.
I have asthma. I'm at risk too.
If you're 19 or older with chronic conditions like asthma, diabetes, COPD, or heart disease, or are 65 or older, you are at increased risk for pneumococcal pneumonia. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about Prevnar 20, pneumococcal 20-valent conjugate vaccine, a vaccine that can help protect you against pneumococcal pneumonia in just 1 dose. Even if you've already been vaccinated with other pneumonia vaccines, Prevnar 20 may help provide added protection. Prevnar 20 is approved for adults to help prevent infections from 20 strains of the bacteria that cause pneumococcal pneumonia. Continued approval may depend on a supportive study. Don't get Prevnar 20 if you've had a severe allergic reaction to the vaccine or its ingredients. Adults with weakened immune systems may have a lower response to the vaccine. Side effects include pain and swelling at the injection site, fatigue, headache, muscle, and joint pain. For full prescribing information, please call 1-855.
What are you thinking, Raphael?
Or visit Prevnar20.com.
Hey y'all, my name is Tiara, and a little thing that I love about the Chick-fil-A spicy chicken biscuit
Potentially
is that
looking
it
to
has
go
the
short
perfect amount of
here.
spice to jumpstart my day. Whoever thought of it, thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Robert, and a little thing I love about Chick-fil-A spicy chicken biscuit is the biscuit. It reminds me of my grandma's homemade biscuit. It's always buttery and savory. Then you add the spices, instant classic.
Order the spicy chicken biscuit on the Chick-fil-A app today. Real Chick-fil-A guests paid for their testimonials.
All right, anybody, anything? I'm trying to short here. Pretty much got to take one off in here. Fortunately. I took one off here at 30-minute high, yesterday's low. There's a good chance we bounce here. But I'm just gonna hold the other to break even. But I get in at 54. That a 54. Watch it. Raphael, you still on? This is the goddamn trade that I don't know why I didn't wait. Hey, man, yeah. So I just caught that short from the top there. I took off a contract at this area here. But yeah, this is the trade that I don't know why I didn't wait for it. Pretty. Yeah. Are you in anything, man? Did you catch that, or you still waiting? I'm gonna have to sell here. Oh, no, I did not mean fucking buy. God damn it. Oh, I just ruined this fucking trade. Fuck. Unbelievable, dude. I'm having such a shit show of the time. Fuck me. Get out. Well, I just ruined that trade on accident. Fuck, man. I'm having to click the wrong goddamn button. Oh, I'm having a tough time lately, man. Shitty, man. Fucking sucks. Yeah, like accidentally fucking re-entered a contract instead of closed it. Fucking out buying power now because of that. Oh, dude, it's just a shit show over here, man. Fucking shit show. That's a good little pullback though. I don't mind that trade at all. Good profit at the right area. But man, nice push off this. Wow. Yeah, you're saying the 444.5 is resistance? Yeah, I mean, that pretty much lines up with yesterday's low and my 30-minute high, so yeah. So apparently it's support now. Yeah, I think this is gonna hold today. I was suspecting this actually, in general, because it's a pretty good support area on the SPY that it ran into. Didn't believe it enough to get calls though. Yeah, I mean, that was a really nice port on the 30-minute high. That was just so aggressive, man. Jump in after that. We're basically on the SPY too. It'll be interesting. I'm kind of running into this area right. Where is that? Yeah, kind of where that green guy lines up, oddly. Where the downtrend line is. There could be some big resistance coming. I think it's basically right about here. Good. Snapping. Yeah, about where that. Fuck, man, I am just very annoyed with myself. Very annoyed. got in before the news? Oh, like right here? That was a, yeah. Yeah, it obviously worked, man. That was just so violently up. But it definitely made sense where it's supported, though. It was just, I don't know. Yeah, on the 2 minute, it was still such a huge kick. I wasn't even thinking about it, man. I was just like, I was trying to get out of it. I fucking tried to exit my trade for my last contract for break even and fucking accidentally hit the buy button and then waited a little bit. And they just got out of both. Fucking, I was gonna make a little bit of money back, but now I screwed it up. Qs right now are trying to decide whether they're going to reclaim yesterday's low. I would assume they will. But we'll see. Yeah, so right now we pushed up to this downward trend line that I have on the SPY daily. We just tapped that. I don't know why it fucking shows this green line on my 2 minute chart. So it's so bad about lining up the accurate trend lines. If you drop the daily, it's like just totally off over time. Oh, why they can't. Yeah, of course you did use SOB.
Download the app to get a real offer on your vehicle in minutes. Carvana will drive you happy.
I have diabetes. I'm at risk for pneumococcal pneumonia.
I have asthma. I'm at risk too.
If you're 19 or older with chronic conditions like asthma, diabetes, COPD, or heart disease, or are 65 or older, you are at increased risk for pneumococcal pneumonia. Ask your doctor or pharmacist for Prevnar 20, pneumococcal 20-valent conjugate vaccine, a vaccine that can help protect you against pneumococcal pneumonia in just one dose. Even if you've already been vaccinated with other pneumonia vaccines, Prevnar 20.
Did you get in off this? Like, are you looking at the 1 minute or the 2 minute? Did you get in right after this big candle, or just when it started supporting?
Continued approval may depend on a supportive study. Don't get Prevnar 20 if you've had a severe allergic reaction to the vaccine or its ingredients. Adults with weakened immune systems may have a lower response.
You're not talking right after the news, right? Like, where are you where did you enter? You're saying you entered at VWAP, so it had to be right here, right? Well, that didn't hit VWAP at 10:12. It was right above it. Is that what you mean? Let's see. Let's see, sir. See how the 1 minute showed this. It didn't hit VWAP on the 1 minute either. It hit this 30-minute high. Yeah, it didn't hit VWAP. So fine. Fuck out of here. Oh. Oh. God. It's a little bit confirmed, yeah. Yeah, I would have had to flip really quick, man. It wasn't even that headspace because I was trying to see if we were gonna ultimately break down this 30-minute or not. Left that contract on. I had a feeling it was gonna do this today too. I should have just taken the top. It is what it wouldn't have been that big of a win. $20 or so. That would have been really nice. Me and him. See here. This could be a potential good short. I just looking good. It's because it's hitting that downward trend line pretty on the spot. Can I even really... board these with my buying power right now? Little off. I wanted to board. It is a really nice ended move. See what we get here, folks. Yeah, you knew it was gonna take off. Yeah, man. Again, I was just not in the right mindset, man. I got that pull back down back to the 30-minute high, and just got all fumbled up, man. Wasn't processing it. Let's see if we can get some downside here. Pull back. End up being a bad day to look for that though.
Who do you see when you look in the mirror?
Someone who wants to make change in their community.
Who do you see when you look in the mirror?
Someone who's striving for more.
Who do you see when you look in the mirror?
Someone who is just getting started.
You have the power to create the change you want to see with Walden University. It's time to join more than 174,000 alumni making change happen. Walden University. Set a course for change. Visit waldenu.edu.
Evil is a more powerful evil. Witness the terrifying origin
In the night, it drinks our blood.
of the world's most legendary monster.
We call him Dracula.
I want to kill the cursed thing. The Last Voyage of the Demeter. Rated R. In theaters now.
Strike! Tell me something I don't know, Ump.
Yeah, you could be right, man.
There aren't any surprises when you finance your next car with Carvana. You get real terms personalized for you right in your strike zone.
Really?
Stee-Ride!
How am I supposed to focus when you're telling me about Carvana?
Well, Slugger, you gotta keep your eye on the ball. Just like you can keep an eye on your customized down and monthly car payments.
I can customize those?
He's out and on his way to finance his next car with Carvana.
Visit Carvana.com or download the app to get pre-qualified today. We'll drive you happy at Carvana.
I've been doing options. Futures are really, like right now I'm with Thinkorswim, they're very expensive. I'm just gonna take profit here, man. I just don't have enough. I might regret that, but kind of fortunately started out shitty today. Reduced my loss here so far, but I'm pretty much out of buying power. Wanted to hold. I've just been trading like such shit that I think I just got like, I don't know, $20 or something back, but pulled down like 20. But I'm out of buying power. So just took a really dumb trade at the beginning. I mean, dude, if I would have just it would have worked out fine if I would have. I wasn't patient today. Really struggle with that today for some. I don't. It's weird, man. It's like, dude, I know. Like I'm just like, I don't know. I'm in a bad rut, man. I don't know if it's I've been kind of had a lot of distractions lately. That may be it. It's just weird, man. It's like I got the kids home during summer, and just it's constant distractions and questions and fucking drama and blah blah blah. And they're like running in and out of the house. Friends ringing the doorbell. Then like we just had a relative in town. So I haven't been sleeping good and staying up late with them, and they just got out of town, and then, I don't know, just other shit, man. But really, honestly though, dude, that's really just an excuse at the end of the day, though. Just an excuse. I really don't buy. I'm just kind of, I think I'm just finding an excuse, but like at the end of the day, I've just been impatient. Some days but some of these days I've been way too patient. The problem, like I'm too patient, and then I see something and I don't jump in it. And then other days I'm just not patient enough, like this, like that. The first trade I took today was retarded, literally retarded. And just because if I hadn't taken that trade, I'd be good today. So dude, trading is mentally is very. It's a really big mental skill you got to get, man. Yeah, I'm picking up what I lost, Raphael. Yeah, like I just picked up a little bit. I ran out of buying power too. What's getting really getting that part annoying, because it's annoying, man, because I could throw more money in and stuff, but I really shouldn't technically have to do that. I should be able to build this account up. That's what I need to effectively do. I'm being inconsistent lately. But I don't know, man. I'm just gonna keep chugging along. Not dying today. So luckily we're all still alive. Everybody's you and me, we're alive. Doing okay. Not homeless on the street. I don't need to make huge money today or tomorrow. You know, it's like, and I've made big money on trades before, of course, like everybody else. It's just get too emotional. I just wasn't ready, man, to go big. I'm just not ready for it. I'd love to be there, man. I'd love to be there. Who the fuck doesn't want to be? Just I'm obviously just not. I'm not ready, like, emotionally for it. I fucking know. Yeah, man, I keep remembering that because like I don't know, I've been getting annoyed like because I know I can be a successful trader, and I just I keep kind of I get on streaks, and then I kind of just get these bumps in the road and just start getting inconsistent, and it gets depressing, man. You know, especially when I know I can do it. It's lack of discipline, really, right? It's like the trade I entered at the beginning of the fucking day, like, dude, I entered a trade right here to go short. It's just so dumb. Like, I even knew this was a big support area, and look where we fucking bounced. So there's just no explanation for that other than complete FOMO. I was just worried it was going to keep going, I guess. But anyway, really good that I got out of this early. I was my target was really kind of going to be this green line here, but I'm glad I took it early. I like to do ideally for trust. It's going to especially see. Very good call getting out of that. That's really all I was looking for. It's just sort of pull back, boom. Honestly, I guess, see, man, this is where my mind sits a little bad on a day like this. Like, I really should have been looking for the long pullback here. So, that's great I got this, but on a day like this, I should really be looking for the long, and I wasn't, you know. Yeah, man, it took you about 2 years to get the right discipline and control. Yeah, man, it's, you know, what's annoying for me, man, is I just haven't I've traded off and on for a few years. You know, I was doing a lot of option selling, but also trying day trading, and I just never like fully committed to it. And the other thing is I was working in an office job. Like now right now I'm able to work from home. Makes it possible to do this. But you know, kind of before I start the day. But you really got to fully commit to this stuff, man, and I've always just been kind of in and out of it. So I think that's part of the problem. It's tricky, man, because you want to take. I'm just like rambling, brainstorming, but you know, you want to take it super serious, but at the same time, you want to come in and be a little bit lighthearted about it. You don't want to be freaking out, you know, if the trade does not work. So it's kind of it's a really man, you really got to get strong control over your emotions, like you said. It's really a heck of a skill, and I think, man, that's a transferable skill, right? To be able to put yourself into something and like, I'm gonna keep my heart rate down. I'm gonna, if I take a loss, it is what it is. I got in this trade because of the right reasons. So if it goes against me, then fuck it. Like, I just got unlucky. This will work 8 out of 10 times and work today, type of thing. So but yeah, that whole balance between patience and being ready to pull the trigger, that's a really, I feel like people don't talk about that enough. Like, it's a really tough thing. That's something that I've struggled with, is, yeah, like pulling the trigger versus going, oh, I should be patient here. And then I watch and I'm like, I'm very happy that I was patient because it was in some middle area or whatever. But yeah, that's like, I've just seen so many trades go by me that I was telling myself to take over the past couple weeks. Just, you know, and then it gets really frustrating. But on the other hand, you don't want to overly pull the trigger, and I don't know, it's tricky. I'm kind of rambling, but that's where I've struggled, basically. Yeah, I mean, the tricky part is, man, the stop losses, if you set it too loose, ooh, this looks potentially like a good rejection, man. That is a double top right there. Curious how fakey this is gonna be today or not, because we're gonna we'll see how the 10-minute develops, but pretty interesting. Fucking out of buying power. But anyways, I would wait. I don't know, man. Gosh, that looks like on the 5-minute, that looks pretty good at this trend line, man. That's basically this trend line. Oh, but I was saying with the stop loss, man, if you gotta be fairly liberal with it, right? You know, like for this right here, it'd have to be above this range. And the other tricky part, man, is getting a good enough entry to where like your stop loss isn't ridiculous. So say if my stop loss was up here, that's actually a decent amount. So if I'm not getting like a move down to like maybe even down into this support here, that trade's not that great risk to reward wise. That's where that can get a bit tricky with the whole stop loss, man. You gotta be willing to risk a lot. I don't know. That's one thing I've noticed is kind of issue. But technically, for sure, man, if like I got in this trade, it has to be like a close above this. This looks like a short, though. I mean, I would feel good entering this. Let's see if it works out. Oh, I gotta get back to my recap videos, man. I'm busy. This.
Kentucky Fried Chicken's new Ultimate Barbecue Fried Chicken Sandwich. An extra crispy filet loaded with hickory smoked bacon, cheese, crispy onions, and sweet honey barbecue sauce. It tastes just like summer, but like the good part of summer, not leaving the tent door open and waking up to a swarm of mosquitoes, 2 chipmunks, and one very, very large woodchuck.
Probably would have waited for the 10-minute to close on this, though.
It's a barbecue in every bite. That's finger licking good.
They like
for a limited
this.
time at participating locations while supplies last.
See.
Prices may vary.
Wherever you are, whatever the
Update-ish.
time. It's always golden hour with Gold Peak Real Brewed Tea. Our high-quality tea leaves are brewed once, just for you, making every sip hit different. Golden hour anytime vibes? Ooh, that's gold. Gold Peak Real Brewed Tea. Click to start sipping.
Yeah, I'm wondering if this thing will really give a good pullback today. Maybe pull back to this support down here where the 30-minute high is and yesterday's low. Might be asking a lot, but
LifeLock alerts you to threats you could miss. If your identity is stolen, a dedicated US-based restoration specialist will work to fix it. No one can prevent all identity theft or monitor all transactions, but everyone can save up to 25% off their first year. Go to lifelock.com/Spotify.
I mean, good rejection so far of this area. Question is just, will it actually fall through? It looks good, man. Like the 10-minute close. Like I would totally. This would be reasonable to enter if you ask me. And if that doesn't work, then it can suck one. That looks really good to at least come back down to, I don't know, maybe this guy, maybe more. Really nice double top on the 5. You got a 10-minute rejection close. There we go. This would definitely be a spot to take one off or whatever, half off, something off. All of it off. Who the ook cares? Yeah, I don't know, take half off. Raphael, do you ever do that? You ever take partials, or are you just like, I'm in or out? Like you take it all off at the same time? I like taking pieces off, man. Yeah, interesting. So it kind of hits your profit target, or it doesn't. Okay. Oh man, that fucking sucks that I don't have enough buying power. I would have loved to have entered that. Where would I have gotten in? Let's see. Depends how. I mean, potentially I was looking at entering at that 5 minute. That may have happened. So about 43 cents ish. We're up to what, 65 here. All right. I mean, I could have definitely could have gone. Oh, here we go, dude. So yeah, we got about 20 cents. That could have been a Green Day here. Bum. Empower things. What would your profit target be here? Just VWAP? Because I would have wanted to take one off in here. And the next I might even consider VWAP. I feel like that would be kind of silly not to do that. Then down here. kind of debating whether I even want to keep doing the live thing, you know, and otherwise I could just, you know, kind of record and then, you know, do a recap and even kind of show the live trade. I just whip out my guitar, man. Just get some. Oh, so bored. Maybe that would be more entertaining. The guy who plays songs while he trades. Catching a little bit of a bid here. Two minute looks like it's going. Thing's gotta want to come to VWAP. I mean. Combined fire, man. So lovely. Trading's tough, man, because it's just like another day. Like now you gotta wait. It's tough, man. You get kind of one shot and then screw up your day or you don't a little bit. Oh yeah.
There are more identity threats than you realize. Even if you monitor your credit, only a little personal info needs to leak out, like your social security number or password,
for you to become a victim.
LifeLock alerts you to threats you could miss. If your identity is stolen,
touch the VWAP. Jesus.
Specialist will work to fix it. No one can prevent all identity theft or monitor all transactions, but everyone can save up to 25% off their first year. Go to lifelock.com/Spotify.
You love listening to your favorite artists, and we love listening to you.
Touch the VWAP.
So,
let's
talk.
go.
Click now to take part in our short survey, and you could win a month of
Holy
gloriously uninterrupted music with Spotify Premium. That means you can enjoy all your favorite artists ad-free. Sound good? Then all you need to do is hit the banner now for your chance to win.
So, what are you thinking for lunch?
I can't. I'm
It'd
getting
be annoying the shit out of me.
Why don't you just go to Blinds.com?
Because I need custom products.
Blinds.com products are made to order, and they
I would have taken profit right here. I would have taken.
How convenient. Tell
Would
me
have taken
more.
half
They can
off
even
here for
verify your
sure.
measurements and handle the installation. Plus, their 100%
At least.
satisfaction guarantee.
A day like this, actually, I might have just taken it all off.
Shop
I can
Blinds.com
get
and
green,
save
but
45% on selected products. Rules and restrictions may apply.
then I'd want to try and be. It'd be nice if we get down to here, down to yesterday's lows, today's 30-minute high. Real nice. I mean, this thing has to touch VWAP. Give me a break. You know you're gonna touch it right there. Poppin'.
From a Boston.
Come on, let's see this thing hit VWAP already. Let's go.
From a Boston to the Devon Road.
Let's see here.
From the Boston to the Devon Road, Sunday morning in the touch pew. From the Boston to the Devon Road, Sunday morning in the touch pew, to the busy sing of a hayfield, and interstate back to Nashville. The Chevrolet with the windows down, me and him just riding around talking. And whether I'm looking for him or not, that's where I found God. Times late at night, I lie there and listen to the sound of her heart beating, the songs the crickets are singing, and I don't know what they're saying, but it sounds like a hymn to me. I ain't too good at praying. Thanks for everything. From a Boston to that Avenue, Sunday morning in the church pew, to the Deerfield or a Hayesfield, the Chevrolet back to Nashville, the Chevrolet with the windows down, me and him just
Finally. Fucking finally. Thing. No, it wants to touch fucking VWAP. Oh, we got Jack in the house, I guess. I don't know. I can't tell who's in here, man. The live settings just like sometimes it's just not accurate at all. It'll say 0. I don't fucking. We gotta come to VWAP here. I mean, give me a break. At least VWAP. Right here. I'd be quite surprised. Man, that would not have been worth the wait on these option contracts I've had. I mean, it literally, you got an extra cent that tap. So you really have to bank on this thing going. Come on, buddy. Oh, an extra. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's what you. Are we gonna make it down to this or what? Oh, curious to see if it's gonna eat through this. Who is messaging?
Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting till the evening comes. Sitting in the morning sun. Sitting in the morning sun. Well, I'll be sitting till the evening comes, watching the ships roll in. Then I watch them roll away again. So I'm gonna sit on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away.
There it fucking goes. Love it, dude. Didn't have the buying power, man. Would have been a badass fucking short. Would have been the fucking movie. I was looking awesome. Beautiful. I would have been in these contracts very likely 44 43 cents up cents at this point, so I would easy money off of this trend line hit, man. It's a beautiful daily trend line hit. I'm thinking we're gonna bounce here, though. That's what I think. I'm just thinking this could be a turnaround. We'll see. Market go up a little bit. Let's see if that is a perfect 61.8 retracement. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Of course, it's exactly where the 61.8 is. So this, very good chance we bounce here, I think. All right, I got to start doing stuff. Ooh. Jack, you still on here? Jack O'Goomba. I may take that as a no very short. Oh. Very nice though. Very, very nice. That would have been a really nice one. Up in here at this first profit. That's about, say I got 65 or something. Yeah, that would have been, yep. I'm gonna get consistent one way or another, man. I just gotta not be entering dumbass trades. It's pretty easy to actually not do. It's just get like on autopilot, and I just click a button. It's like, what the fuck are you doing, man? Beautiful late morning fade, man. Beauty. Beauty. Oh, look at you. 90. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Extra. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna be in and out though, so you all can get a gist of that. Gotta start doing some business stuff. I know there's a million people watching right now, so just everybody take it easy. Yeah, I'm looking to see if we get a support here. Interesting. There's several good reasons to support here. Yeah, I think the odds would be pretty good. 30-minute high, yesterday's low. 61.8 fib on this current up, this run up. 61.8% back down. We'll see. Maybe Spy's gonna say screw you. I don't know.
sweetie. What do you think of our new car from Carvana?
Think it can handle our busy family?
Well, we have 7 days to see. First, we can take the scenic route to the beach and stargaze through the moonroof. We'll see if your drums fit in the trunk. Then we can pick up Mommy's friends and check out that legroom. And we should really visit Grandma. She's getting up there.
That's like a whole lifetime in 7 days.
And like one busy family.
With our 7-day money-back guarantee, you can confidently shop for cars 100% online. Visit Carvana.com for all terms and conditions. We'll drive you happy at Carvana.
Nature has evolved powerful bug-fighting abilities over billions of years.
There's a cockroach on the floor. Get out of here!
Well, except for humans. That's why STEM Bug Killer looked to nature, isolating powerful active ingredients found in plants that target nerves bugs have, but people don't. So it's safe to use as directed around people and pets. STEM Bug Killer, rooted in nature, optimized by science. Visit stemforbugs.com to learn more.
Hi, my name is Jasmine, and a little thing I love about Chick-fil-A Spicy Chicken Biscuit is how it gives me a kickstart to my morning. I put honey on the biscuit because it gives you a nice sweet heat. It's the perfect treat.
Hi, my name is Robert, and a little thing I love about Chick-fil-A Spicy Chicken Biscuit is the chicken. The outside is crispy, the inside is succulent. Once you put it all together, chef's kiss.
Order the Spicy Chicken Biscuit on the Chick-fil-A app today. Real Chick-fil-A guests paid for their testimonials.
This is holding under the 30-minute high decently, to be honest. Fuck.
It sounds like it. Me.
What is this one? Alright, whatever, I guess I should. Wow, this is interesting. Yeah, Qs are leading the dirtiness. Oh yeah, Qs could come down to this 70.7. Oh, this is not. Yeah, dude, this looks good to go. I mean, it just really rejected that 30-minute high in SPY. Oh. Where? Yeah, the question is just, do we recover this 30-minute high in the SPY? Q's much more dirty, man, of course, which makes sense.
Hey, Spotifyers, click and tap the banner to listen to This Is Wiz Kid.
They're at the 30-minute lows here. Testing.
By Duce, the modern expression of cognac. Enjoy responsibly.
Down on a hill.
Coral Gables, Florida. Cognac, 40% alcohol by volume. Must be 21%.
Don't think.
You know, auto insurance comes with empathy.
Polo.
That means we know the most important part of the car is the driver. Amica, empathy is our best policy.
Evil is on this ship.
Well, it sounds like news.
This looks like a bite of the world's most.
Yeah, recovering. Really nice recovery on the 30-minute.
The legend of Dracula.
30-minute high. So far.
I want to kill the cursed thing. The last voyage of the Demeter. In theaters now.
Looking dirty for a sec, but definitely had to be cautious of this. I would have been real concerned about getting it.
On every fill up at Phillips 66, Conoco, and 76. It's that simple.
There needs to be some sort of bounce, likely.
Terms and conditions apply. Offers expire to
all right. Yeah, pretty potentially significant area to bounce here. It's 30-minute high, and yesterday's low that it just recovered. Qs are way down, man. Nicely below their yesterday high, so much more weak. And it's not 12 yet? Holy crap. Whoa. Wow. Rejection of the 30-minute high. Alpha, you still on, man? I'm gonna take that as a no. All right, so interesting area here. Really interesting to see whether we catch on this level or resist this level. Leaning towards the catching. This is a really nice pullback. This is also the 61.8 area. You draw a fib out on this SPY. Potential good long opportunity, but a little difficult to say. They want to do this, yeah. Wait for more comp. Okay, so. No. Are we gonna catch or are we gonna fall here? I think it's more likely that we catch, man. This thing has really gone down a lot too. This is just such a good area to catch at. Catch in here. I don't think I have any buying power left. A little late to the party too. I don't know. Testing. Yeah, this is dirty today, man. This is acting again. Really messing around here. It's coming up to lunchtime too. Freaking Google Analytics just make no sense. It's like, excuse me. Yeah. Man, this looks like it wants to go down now. Yeah. That's the vibe I'm getting.
At Amica, life insurance comes with empathy. That means protecting what matters most to you matters most to us. Amica, empathy is our best policy.
The new crisp and refreshing Heineken Silver only has 3.2 carbs and 95 calories, and a taste that has no bitter endings. It's like all the joy of croissants for breakfast, but none of the crumbs stuck to your keyboard. Like all the hot days, but none of the warm drinks. Heineken Silver always ends on a high note and never on a bitter one. That's all the taste with no bitter endings. Click here to order now at Heineken.com/silver. Must be 21 plus to purchase. Please enjoy Heineken responsibly.
Better ingredients. Better pizza. Choose better. Choose Papa John's. Serving Hampton Roads better for 30 years. Here's to another 30 with better for Hampton Roads. Looking for better specials every day? Let us serve you. Visit papajohns.com and choose from our great deals. Enjoy the savings and order with Papa John's. Better ingredients, better pizza. Papa John's.
From the humans who brought you Cocaine Bear and 21 Jump Street.
You are a stray. You can do anything you want.
On August 18th, Will Ferrell.
Having a great time.
Jamie Foxx.
We gon'
Strays in theaters August 18th. Rated R. Get tickets now.
All right, y'all, I'm out.